Hey guys, it's Tom from Tentworld here. Today with me we have the Cooper's DIY Beer Brew Kit. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so what this product is, basically it gives you everything you need to brew your own beer and to brew 23 litres of your own beer. This is obviously a great gift idea if you want to gift it to someone, or you can use it for yourself. So in this video, basically I'm going to show you what you get inside the box, what comes in this kit, and just a real brief overview on how it all works. So taking a look at what we get inside this product. So first here we've got our Cooper's Beer Lager Brewing Extract. Now this is like a light to medium bodied lager. And you've also got your brew enhancer and your carbonation drops as well. So over here you've got the main fermenting vessel and you also get this little extender as well. So you can choose to use the extender if you're going for high foaming brews. And then, or if you just want to do the normal brew, you can use the main fermenting vessel there. And then you've obviously got the lid that goes on top, and you've got these two clips here for the lid as well. Over here's just a sample of the bottles that you get, but you do get 30 of these. So these are 740 ml reusable bottles. You get 30 of these and they all come with screw caps as well. And then over here, our last few items, you've got your bottling valve. So this is an auto shut valve for when you're going to bottle your beer after it's all brewed. You've got your spoon here, obviously for mixing. And then here you've got your beer hydrometer and sample flask. So we'll open this up. The hydrometer is here on the inside. And then you've got the sample flask here as well. Now, as I said before, I'm not going to show you a fully in-depth video on how to use it all. But if you do visit the Tentworld website, they've got some nice detailed videos there on exactly what to do in the brewing process. Or you can look at the instruction book here as well that comes in the box. So basically an overview of the process is you've got your items here. You're going to put it in here and you're going to mix it. Once it's all mixed, you're going to let it brew, and you're going to let it brew for about 5 to 10 days. Once that brewing process is done, that's where you're going to bottle it all up. Once you've got it all bottled, you're going to let those bottles store for about 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks, your beer is ready to enjoy. And right now at Tentworld, the Cooper's DIY range is actually 20% off up until the 29th of December. So this is great as we lead into Christmas. If you want to get this as a gift, it is 20% off. Thanks for watching, guys. And like always, if you have any questions, please feel free to visit one of our 15 store locations across Australia or chat to our online team. Happy camping.